Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can send something from your computer using Bluetooth. It's simple, simply start by finding an item you would like to send, for example this picture, so all you have to do is right-click it. Then go on Send to. Then click on Bluetooth. As you can see from this results is where all your recent Bluetooth devices have been paired, so simply click the device you would like to send to, then click Next. And as you can see it started sending. So as you can see it's finally been sent, so thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.